you haven't passed this time.
I know.
Okay, Merrick. This is your first mock test.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna start with a show me, tell me question.
Alright.
And your question is, how would you check if your indicators are working?
So basically, when you turn the car on and you press the indicator up or down, so left and right, you can check reflection, or if not, you can get someone to check for you.
Okay, I'll take that answer. So I want you to pass all these cars and go down there and try pull up on the right. Pass all
On the right, yeah?
Go a little bit further down, just like there. Thank you. Cool. Switch your engine off, Murray.
Oh my days, bro.
That's the end of the mock test today. Right? And unfortunately, you haven't passed this time.
I know.
Okay? There were some good driving in there. You make a few good decisions, especially at that pedestrian crossing when the child walked across the road. But unfortunately, there was 4 serious driving fault.
4?
Yeah. So I will explain them to you in a bit. So we just need a bit more training before you go in for your actual test. Okay, bro? All right.